Well guys, it's time for another adventure. This time to sleep under the stars, set up my tarp in the moonlight, cook up great food and spend some quality time with the boys around the fire. So I'll see you guys at camp. So as you can tell, that gorgeous moon in the background, a full moon, is a late start to the camp. I've never arrived at camp during the night, but there's always time for a first experience, that's for sure. So I'm going to tread into the woods because my friend Mike's in there. I've camped with Mike quite a few times now. There's a few more lads arriving tomorrow. I'm going to spend another night under the stars with them tomorrow as well. So what I need to do is put my bag on my back, tread in, find Mike, set up camp and enjoy the rest of the evening. So I'll see you guys there. I can see a nice roaring fire waiting for my arrival. Can't wait to get around that. It's pretty cold right now. That is brilliant, that.
Yeah, and you, mate. Yeah, good to see you. Yeah, it's good to us. Lovely. Actually, you just get the bellows on it, just yeah. Tank it. Hey, I love your sample then, that's great that. You find them in charity shops?
Yeah, mate, next time when we go down to the ropers camp, I'll bring you one.
Cool.
Keep. It's nice to be out. The camping setup is all up now. Nice low down, stealthy style. It's gonna be nice and cozy. I've got the cot bed as well, so I'm off the floor. It'll be nice and toasty during the night, but it's nice to camp out with you, Mike.
Yeah, and you, Josh.
Cheers to you, mate.
All the best. Cheers.
You're gonna have to explain what's in that bottle.
For those of you who know and those of you who don't, this is my usual tipple, which is 50% solution of Baileys and chocolate milk. If you don't believe me, try it. You will be a convert. Cheers.
Cheers to a good night. So we're gonna sit around the fire, get some food on there soon, and just enjoy some chilled time in the woods. And then tomorrow some more lads are going to turn up and just enjoy what it's all about, just enjoying the great outdoors with good friends and like-minded people. So cheers for watching. Cheers.
All the best. Cheers.
I love it.
Cheers, mate. Cheers, all the best. Happy New Year.
The stars are out.
Yep. Oh yeah. It's great that.
I believe the bright star next to the moon is Venus.
Yes. Yeah. And you can see.
And then the odd, like the brightest one, like away from it, could be Mars.
Yeah. If it's got an orangey tint, it's Mars.
So me and Mike are just having a good old time shooting these.
We are. I mean, you've hit about 8 times and I've hit twice, I think.
Let's see what we can do here.
See what you can do here. Oh, just fantastic. Look at you on fire, mate. Oh, Josh, mate, you're flipping on fire. More than that fire.
Yeah!
I've knocked it off.
You pinged it off, mate.
Boom. Yes. Go on, have some of that.
Yay!
Look at that, knocked it up into the tree. Oh, look at that. We've hammered it. We've destroyed it. I've been doing this since 4 o'clock. There you go.
That fire shows it though, man. You did a good job there.
Timber! Goodness me.
Good workout, isn't it?
Yeah, let me just...
Cut through 2 here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm feeling it in my arms now.
Oh, yeah. That's why I'm having a rest. Ah, come on.
Yeah.
There she goes. There she goes.
Tonight, mate.
Oh, I've just had the old pasta bolognese.
Sounds good though.
Yeah.
Warm you up.
I'm doing the old steak down tomorrow. But I'll do it.
Steak?
Well, strips of
Nice.
steak. Yeah. Red pepper, red onion, steak down sauce, bit of horseradish to give it a kick with rice.
Oh, that sounds good.
Mm.
Well, me and Mike have had a good evening. Sipping a few drinks, listening to music, playing the catties.
Indeed.
So we're just cooking up our evening grub. To be honest, it's just after midnight right now, isn't it?
Yeah, about 1:30. About 1:30.
It has been a late arrival getting here, but it's just been nice just chilling, and want to eat something to warm up before we get into our sleeping arrangements. But we've got nowhere to go tomorrow. Hopefully come a little lay in before the boys turn up, but we'll see. So food is all done, cooked up nicely, so I'm just digging in now. Nice easy meal today. I didn't want to do any sort of fancy cooking or anything like that on the first night, but I have a nice chicken king prawn chorizo paella, which is one of those ready meals. So just heat it through in the cast iron pan, and just eat it straight out. Well, it is currently 2 AM, exactly 2 AM. It's been a great night, great conversation, great food, and a great fire as well. It's been nice catching up with Mike. Last time I camped with Mike was in the snow in my hot tent video, but it's a chilly night tonight. No hot tent this time, just out amongst it all. It's been a great evening. So what I'm going to do is get in my sleeping bag, get nice and cozy. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. I'll see you soon.
Good morning, everyone. It is 25 minutes past 8. So I've had about nearly 6.5 hours. I could sleep more, to be honest. I might go back to bed. But I know around 8:30, 9 o'clock, we've got some more friends joining us, so I don't want to be laying around when they arrive, so might get up and get the fire going, to be honest. Yeah, maybe just 5 more minutes, you know what I mean? Just 5 more minutes. Got a nice English fry up this morning. Oh, that's gonna be so good, especially after a late night. Well, a few little tipples around the fire, so that will get me straight. So let's get this fire on. Oh, it's still nice and warm, that. Still nice and warm. Some nice red coals in there, that's for sure. Ooh, look at that. Get it going. There's still life in it. Still life. Yes. I thought I'd be needing one of these this morning, but obviously not. Making a proper furnace here. Like an oven in there. Right. How you doing?
You alright?
Yeah, you?
Yeah, good.
Safe travels, huh?
Yeah. Good night last night.
Yeah. We were up till about 2 AM.
I know, that's dangerous to say.
Yeah. Good to meet you, mate.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Nick.
Nick.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Nick.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen a lot of you.
Have you?
Easy squeeze. Yeah, you mate. Nice to see you again.
Good to see you too, mate. Yeah. So the rest of the lads have arrived now. They've just gone back to the car to get a few more bits. Mike's waking up. The fire's going nicely. And soon I'll get some breakfast on the go.
Somebody handmade that especially.
There's a guy, his website's TJM Metalworks. And he hand makes them himself.
Yeah, it's good that.
But I bought this because I thought this is great for, like, you know, big camps and stuff.
What got you interested in?
What's that?
Camping.
Since moving to the northeast of England.
Was it?
Yeah, started doing a lot more walking. I saw some woodland. I thought, do you know what, camping would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Bought a cheap tent and then fell in love with it.
Yeah. Where are you from originally?
London.
It's that.
Battersea.
Yeah. You go back yourself?
Just to see family now and again. Steve, I've made you some black pudding as well, by the way.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
Have you got a plate, yeah?
Yeah, I'll grab it when it's looking like it's somewhere near.
I might need one just to put some on the side as
Yeah,
I'm moving food about.
I've got a plastic plate somewhere.
Anywhere particular? Stick it on the...
But you could, yeah, just chuck it on this. I'll get the mushrooms out of this. And then you can just use the pan. Mate,
Yeah.
how many you want? Couple?
Couple of the fine, yeah. I'll put some in there for tomorrow morning. So I'll leave it for the next shoot early, but I'll leave it.
Yeah, I'm shooting early as well. Steve, do some beans.
Oh, yeah, can do, sir.
Cheers, Steve.
Cheers, Josh.
Cheers for allowing me to come to your wonderful woodland.
My pleasure.
It's good to camp again, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Remember the food we cooked last time?
Yeah, fit for a king's.
Fit for the
It
kings.
was a feast.
What I'll do, I'll link that video at the end of this. Check it out. Steve's a legend. He's the one who makes the slingshots that I use, the catties. So we'll have a bit of a go on that, won't we, later on?
Yeah, I put some targets up, so we're going to have a bit of a shoot. I've done like a hunter's course.
That'll be awesome.
So,
So I'm going to enjoy this, so I'll catch you guys soon.
Nice.
Job I used to do years ago. We used to open halts.
Got that on cam.
Did you get it? Yeah.
Nice one.
It's on.
Like and subscribe. Oh man, I can't believe I've done that. It's nice. Nice.
25 minutes shot.
I want some of that go actually.
Can't believe that.
Still to one side, isn't it?
That's what I get. That's what I get.
So me and the boys have just been enjoying some catty practice, chopping some wood, and just catching up around the fire. The sun is beginning to set for the day, so I thought I'll just have a little wander in the woods here. There's lots of this woodland that I've not explored yet, so why not join me as I go on a little adventure, see what I can find. Be great along here, wouldn't it? Get the bivvy bag down, some water, so you could purify, watch the sunset. Nice. So many great places around these woodlands to camp out. I'll have to come back here again with Steve and find a new spot in the woods to set up camp. Found a bunch more of those shotgun shells. Thought I'll pick them up. The bin. They stick out like a sore thumb in these woods with the colours and stuff, so at least I can pick them up and take them to get disposed of. Can anybody identify this mushroom? It's absolutely massive. It looks like a Cornish pasty. Huge. So I thought I'll quickly show you my setup before it gets too dark. I've got my cot bed. Thought I'd live in a bit of luxury this time. Recently hurt my knee, so I thought that'd be nice instead of crawling around on all fours, getting into my sleeping arrangements. Got my Flextail, sleeping pad, my bivvy and my sleeping bag. The tarp at the back there has been pulled down. It'll keep you nice and dry. And then from the front, instead of pinning it down all the way down, just brought it down halfway so I can see a nice view. Pulled the middle part up to this tree here. Have a bit more headroom, but it served me really well. I've done a similar setup with a hammock a couple of times, but I thought this would be perfect for a low down setting as well. So I'm out of the wind, and if it rains, the rain will just drip down here. But it looks like it might be another clear night, so win-win. No wet gear to pack away. Yeah, I looked back a few times. Yeah.
Hot potato.
Oh, cheers, mate.
Yeah, they saw him, didn't they? See him dancing in the crowd.
This is at 10:30 at night. She's saying to me, what are you doing?
Making it work.
Making it work.
Oh yeah, because I remember that night because I was sat over there and you passed cheese bar around and he was meant to be going round and it stayed underneath for about an hour. And then when he passes me and he says, what's that? I says, nuts and passamia.
Just got a laugh, don't you?
Yeah.
So the boys have cooked up their meals this evening, so I thought I'll cook myself a nice little small snack here. Just had a small breakfast as well this morning, so I thought I'd treat myself to a triple cheeseburger. Cheers. Right, it's time for me to go to bed. It's been a good night. Having a good laugh around the fire, cooking good food, catching up, eating massive burgers. But yeah, it's been a nice time just chilling out in the woods for a couple of days under the stars, just enjoying nature with friends. It's been a really good time, but it's time for me to hunker down and get some sleep. It's an early start tomorrow. I'm going to be packing away in the dark again. In some ways I'm looking forward to spring when it starts lighting up a bit earlier, and I can pack away in the light. But I've got an early start tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll see you guys at the car in the morning as I'm packing away, I'm sure. So I'll see you then. But good night, and I'll catch you guys soon. Well guys, the moon is lighting my way back to my car. My bag is on my back now and I'm ready to go home. It's about 6 AM right now, early start, but it's time for me to get back home to my family and get nice and clean, get myself a nice warm shower. But it's been a great time. Had a wonderful time with my friends, just chilling out, cooking good food, exploring the woodland, and just enjoying the great views of the stars and the moon during the night. And it was nice sleeping underneath the tarp as well. So I better load up the car now and get myself home. Until next time guys, remember to stay wild and stay safe. Peace.